However, why am I saying Babu has a chance to run for presidency? You see, if Babu runs for president today, when we're doing this podcast, he might win because of the situation. He's an underdog. The underdog always has a chance to try kidogo. So what is ampatia tu ile asira? Ile wacha tu tupatie because of. But in 2027, it's normally a bit difficult to defeat someone who's going for their second term. Okay? And especially the person you want to defeat is a genius. He's a guy who, he beat the system and everybody knew it when he was outside.
Yeah.
So now he's the system. So come on, man. And he also has Fulus like nobody's business right now. And he also has the military and everything. So now it will be a bit tricky. However, the young people say, huyu ndio sasa nakaku. So Babu akishikana na Sifuna, na shikane na ule wa kutoka Kisii.
Simba.
No, not Simba. No. But hata kina Simba wanaweza kuwa hapo. Is a senator, Onyonka.
Onyonka, yeah.
Onyonka
sinaona kwa side ya Rigiji na wewe. No, side ya candidate wa Jubilee Matiang'i. So Onyonka kwa side ya Matiang'i ama?
No, you know he's Kisii. So people are going back to their roots, where you identify with
tribes.
Yeah, so there's that card, and then also at the moment guys are a little bit confused because Rigiji Kiran, what happens to Kalonzo, what happens to Matiang'i, what happens to Nani. So a lot of people are trying to find places that they will land. So if you look at someone establishing themselves for 2032, Kwanza ni sahi. And then, if Babu runs for governor, ataichukua early in the morning. However, the problem is this. After governor, what next? Then, Nairobi governor's seat is normally very dirty.
Yeah.
The minute you sit on it, they'll find a way to sonkorize you. Especially if you're there for the people and you're not working with the cartels. That is why Miguna never got it. Miguna's manifesto, if you sit down and listen to Miguna's manifesto, you'll be like, Miguna should be president.
Yeah.
But the cartels are like, hey, this guy is not good for business. So watafanya ni wataka pale GNR, ama kai mali uko Tirum, naseme hapana, huyu hapana, wacha tu nini. So he might be the governor, but he might not be the best governor because of what they will do to him.
Okay.
You get? Kumfanya asifanye kazi, whatever. So atakuwa napigana sana na wase instead of kufocus on the job. Then also when you look at after becoming governor, longevity. Do you run for a second term? Do you do whatever? So it's a bit kidogo, but this is what I always say, to each
their own. Yeah.
So whatever Babu wants, sisi tunaangalia, sisi tuko na opinion zetu. Mimi nasema mimi ningekuwa Babu, mimi ningeenda hapa nimejua vizuri naweza kosa queen. Ama, you know, so shit happens. Unaweza enda hivi upate jenzi wamegeuka kidogo upate early in the morning to Senegal. But yeah, we have a young president. We're like, wait a minute, how did that happen? Because even when Ruto won, they all, Azimio team didn't believe it. They're like, wait a minute, tulikuwa na huru, tulikuwa na nani, tumepatiwa machopa. Nini, ameshindaje? Watu wakabeba mahote wakipeleka kwa nini? So that is what happens. So sometimes you might be surprised. But the good time for me would be now to start setting up for 2032. But if he wants. But kama ni governor ameonea seat, achukue. But governor pia ukiangalia, mimi nilikuwa naona Sifuna ndaende hiyo governor.
Sifuna ni mjanja sana. Sifuna anajua governor Nairobi
noma.
Na anaweza run second term senator. Atarun second term senator atakuwa the side of the people. Then sasa then sasa he'll but I'm sure Sifuna would never go for governor side. Why? If you're Sifuna size would go for governor Nairobi? Knowing what Nairobi governor comes with. And then Sifuna ni mtu anawapashanga kila siku. So anamngoja tu. He wouldn't.
So it's tricky. In Nairobi governor one is looks nice. But when you sit on that throne,
it's not something else.
I'm sure it's stress. And even on the other time we were discussing and saying, okay, you put a governor in place now, like Sakaja, isn't it?
Yeah.
Everyone else hapo except from MCAs see elective positions. Atawapata hapo. Some of them have been there for
forever.
Since tukua na men.
Forever.
Bro. So unapata wazito.
Yeah, wako huko.
Forever.
So how much power does this governor have as well?
It's tricky. Much. We need to clean the whole
what if now Rigiji jamaa wa Rivayala mbona anashinda Matiang'i Kalonzo and
Omtata Maraga
one
coalition.
And then they have some of the popular ODM guys akina maybe Sifuna Sioni,
but even if they form a coalition, who will be their top guy?
That's what I'm everybody wants.
Everybody wants a seat at the table.
But also, they have this MOUs when they decide. For sure, Kalonzo is the most preferred. Sahi. I don't think Rigiji, Kalonzo will be the most preferred, then they'll pick a deputy prime minister. They'll give themselves positions. Then wengine watapatiwa cabinet secretaries, nini. Sini hizo MOU tu zinaonafanyanga tu. But it has to be Kalonzo.
They will announce the coalition, but mpaka waseme number 1 ndo huyu na running mate ndo huyu, ndo watu wata make decision.
I don't think Kalonzo might be given with the people based on precedence. You know what Kalonzo stands for from these other people's perspective, because huyu anaweza tuacha kwa street lights. Anaweza kwa mataa huyu.
Watermelon.
Yeah, so there's that notion that now is a very hard task for him to now clean, tell people, no, I'm not like that. Me as a till the end. You know, that is why other people are preferring Matiang'i, because he seems like he's a strong guy, he can command. But now, Matiang'i is being pushed so much with the kisses.
Yeah.
And the other guys are just like, ay, kidogo.
And the Kenyatas.
And other guys are like, ay, kidogo tricky. Then
like
also, if you look at Kalonzo, with the kisses really, and then Luos, knowing Kiburi Wajaluo anakuanga naye waseme ni aje tunapatia Kalonzo,
but
it will be a bit
but the
tricky.
question would be, as we lead towards the elections, right? If, say, a big percentage of the population actually really must go, if that remains and becomes a thing, because
Itakuwa tu kama 202. Whoever's the better option will just move.
because between now and then, who knows what's going to happen?
Yeah.
Saizi kwanza venye wana pass 2 bills right, left, center, wasa wana complain. If you go back to a situation where we were last time and guys were collect list and atutaki, then it means a lot of people could profit, including now the babus. That's why I'm like, it's too early, but so much could happen, and it depends on how people position themselves.